Across Lagos, everywhere is busy. But home is where everywhere gets quiet. Welcome home to this stunning 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in Megamound Estate. Your next chapter could begin here. Welcome home. From the expansive sitting room to the floor-to-ceiling gazing in the wide enclosed kitchen, every detail speaks of warmth and modern living. This house doesn't just look like home, it expresses home and nothing short of it. Sitting on a generous 450 square meters of land with a global sea of all, this home was designed for space, comfort, and intentional living. Offered at 480 million naira. For more details, property information, and to schedule an inspection, visit aerialhomes.com. Aerial Homes, shaping cities one space at a time.